AI-powered tools that will make you super productive. Ever feel like 24 hours in a day just aren't enough? You've got deadlines stacking up, emails overflowing, and that to-do list growing like crazy. But what if I told you there's a way to get more done in less time without feeling overwhelmed?
AI-powered tools are revolutionizing productivity. From automating mundane tasks to enhancing creativity, these tools will supercharge your efficiency.
So, sit tight, because today, we're diving deep into the AI tools that will make you a productivity powerhouse. Let's go.
Let's start with automation. Repetitive tasks consume hours of our day, but AI can handle them effortlessly.
First up, we have Zapier, your digital assistant that connects your apps and automates workflows. Imagine this. Every time you receive an email attachment, Zapier saves it to Google Drive, then alerts you on Slack. Boom! No manual work.
Next, Notion AI turns your messy notes into structured documents, generates summaries, and even suggests action points. Imagine never having to manually format your meeting notes again. Sounds like magic, right?
Content creation is time-consuming, but AI has changed the game.
Meet ChatGPT, a generative AI that helps you brainstorm, write blogs, craft emails, and even code.
Need stunning graphics? Canva AI generates designs in seconds. Just type in a description, and AI does the rest.
And for video editing, Descript AI transcribes, edits, and even clones voices. Imagine fixing a mistake in your voiceover without re-recording. Just type and AI regenerates your voice seamlessly. Who knew AI could make you a content creating machine? But wait, there's more.
Struggling with scheduling? Say hello to Reclaim AI. It prioritizes tasks, schedules meetings, and blocks focus time automatically.
And then there's Motion, an AI that builds the perfect daily schedule based on deadlines and priorities. Imagine never having to reschedule a meeting manually again. Let AI do the heavy lifting.
AI isn't just about work, it's also about learning faster.
Illicit AI finds research papers, summarizes them, and even extracts key insights. Perfect for students and researchers.
Need quick insights? Perplexity AI and U.com act as smart search engines, giving you summarized and sourced answers instantly. What if you could research in minutes instead of hours? AI makes it possible. Inbox anxiety? Superhuman AI sorts your emails, prioritizes responses, and suggests smart replies.
For customer support, ChatGPT API and Intercom AI provide 24/7 automated responses with human-like accuracy.
Emails and customer queries handled, efficiency doubled. So, which AI tool will you start using today? Drop your favorite in the comments.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech hacks.
AI isn't replacing us, it's upgrading us. Let's embrace the future, work smarter, and get more done with less effort. Until next time, stay productive.